We are going to...
We're going to the German.
Acton.
The land of the...
Land of
whatever. And then to the Austria.
We're going to Austria.
My wife, she says she's going to jump from the hotel window and go down.
To where?
To jump, to escape from me.
Oh yeah, I'm running away from you, boy.
Whatever problem is you. Yeah, I do have problem. I'm married too. That's a big problem, girl. You drank the whole Estella beer in 1 minute. You're telling me I'm beer, and I don't look good now.
Ito guys, nakarating na kami na nagbayad pa ng 3 ba eh? Like the one in Paris. It's okay.
Oh, me.
You lock yourself.
You lock yourself?
Love.
Love, love.
Tahimik dito guys sa simbahan. Kaya ayan, walang maingay, ako lang. Every time na pumupunta ako sa mga ganyan guys, simbahan ang inuuna ko talaga kasi ang gaganda ng simbahan nila. Sobra.
Yeah. The brother man told.
Oh yeah.
School tour, probably.
I skip class this kid.
No, it's a school tour.
Ito, sumakay kami ng cable car guys. Ayun, pababa na kami para makauwi na. Picture na lang muna.
Ice.
Parang ice na rin.
Up and down if the shift of passenger. I don't know.
We are in Old Town Manhattan. Cheers!
Yeah.
Ito, mag-feeling bata din tayo. Town nila guys. Tukulin ni. Nililiit lang no.
Running, she's running to try.
Skinita nila. So,
This is the
sabi
town.
nila walang ano.
This is the circle.
Yan, pero nakita ko naman may isa. Ayan.
Actually, this one day to come here is enough.
Ayan, everything. German is cheap. Guys, nandito kami sa Swiss Alps. Ano, hindi Swiss Alps. Austrian Alps, guys. Karugtong ng Swiss Alps. Ayan. Ang ganda talaga, guys. Grabe. Ang ganda. Switzerland. Magtayo ako sa para tignan yung lugar din nila.